It's a beautiful day in Ozark County. I'm here at East One Community, and I'm about to take you on a tour of one of the personal shelters here. It's the personal shelter of Airik and Shannell at their home of Rivendale. Let's go take a look. Hey,
Come on in.
thanks.
So this is our living room, and we got some cool things going on here. We got some bamboo curtain rods that we installed all throughout the house. Me and Eric made these stools together. Got this cool hanging chair from Twin Oaks, and a nice sheep rug that Miha likes to lay on, and it keeps our feet warm. Over here we got Miha's little bed. I've had Miha for 5 years, and I actually found her when she was about 7 months old in Detroit, on the roads by herself. So in the middle of winter.
Wow, I've always wanted to have a spiral staircase, but I wonder what it's like to actually live with one.
Well, it is very nice, but it's not actually that easy to get up and down. I've definitely almost fallen down it quite a bit of times, but I haven't done that yet. I just do the old lady walk down it.
What about, like, can you guys see the stars through there at night? What's that like?
Clear.
Clear
Pretty.
stars. Okay.
We can also
the
see it
skyline
when
is
there's a
very
storm
clean
and
right
it's
now.
terrifying.
Well, here we are in the kitchen, and this is a gorgeous kitchen. It looks like you've done some updating recently. What can you tell me about that?
So we installed this little cedar post with this here shelf that was already here to put our hot water tank on so we can do some dishwashing. We built this little gray water system. Got some cool things in here. Got a cabinet that a friend who used to live here built for me. And then Rin built this table. Me and Eric built this cool cutting board together and the shelf. Yeah, and it serves us pretty well.
Uh-oh. Wow, this is a beautiful view.
Yeah, so we just fixed this porch up not that long ago, this fall. It was like all rotting out, and we replaced it with Eric's dad. So we got ourselves a nice new porch.
These cedar posts look pretty, like, majestic. Did you refinish those also?
Yeah, sanded them down. This is what they looked like before. And then we put some stainless steel or steel wool and vinegar infusion with coffee over top, and then sealed it with tung oil and linseed oil.
Wow, I love this downstairs bonus room.
This room here was a storage room. Now it's converted into a little grow room. Still in progress. But yeah, just got some shelves. Back here we have oyster spawn growing in some buckets. In there, out of the light. Hopefully they're doing fine. In there should be some possibly yeah. Shiitake spores. Yeah. So the goal is just to grow mushrooms for community and have a spot to get them going because they need climate controlled stuff.